What is the principal aspect of Ifa religion? So this answer by me, Agbotifayo Ifadare from Nigeria, Ijebu Ishara Remo. So the principal aspect of Ifa religion, first of all, Ifa is not a religion. Are you getting me? Ifa is a word, words from God. That is, Ifa can be defined as the truth word of God. There is no other words that come or that is used in this word that Ifa didn't speak about. There is no any word in this life that can be used to do and undo that didn't come from Ifa, word of God. Why the religion is traditional religion. So Ifa is not just a religion, it is traditional religion that hold Ifa and all Orisha. Are you getting my point? So the principal aspects of Ifa are many. Ifa is meant to help. Lots of aspects is to help someone out of his problem, to help someone out of his region problem, things that is affecting someone that the person didn't know, and things that is going to come up in future as a problem. If I will make it stop by his word and find solution to it, to make that thing not happen in future, or to make that thing appear but not affect that the exactly person, so that he will know that yes, this is the real thing this is the real thing priest is saying, this is the real things comes out. Ifa in Ifa aspect, when you have Ifa or when you make Ifa consultation, a lot of things will open to you that are covered, that have been secreted before. It will open to you and you will understand it more better. Even if anybody is hiding, doing something bad to you that you didn't know, if I will enlighten you, if I will tell you this, that, and these are the solution you are going to do to stop all this problem. So that is that. If I ask a lot of aspects that if I is useful for, that is number one.